House is called the cultivators, especially seasonal traditional cultivators of Farmagudi, Bandwara, surrounding areas of Ponda and Kepe Taluka, not being the original owners of land due to washing out and damage of seasonal crop like cucumber, bitter gourd, rigid gourd, brinjal, radish, pumpkin, jasmine flower, etc. Due to heavy rainfall for the last 15 days, being the only business of local people and they being dependent entirely on this seasonal earning, the steps government intends to take provide financial assistance to these local traditional cultivators.
Many farmers traditionally cultivates cucumbers and other vegetables and along with the slopey hills and around the Famagudi, Prior, Betoda, Bandoda and other villages of the Fonda and Kepe Taluka. These farmers and cultivates small areas ranging from the 500 to the 4,000 square meters and undertake the expenses on the seed, fertilizers and labors. And instant rains in the July months and has caused the considerable damage to the plants and seedlings. The plants have decayed and considerably loss has been caused. The Director of Agriculture implements the state sector schemes of the Shetkari Aadhar Nidhi to provide the compensation to the farmers due to the floods, inductions, etc. and the crop loss paid to the farmers for the field crop and such as the paddy, vegetable pulses, flowers, nasne, etc. as the 40,000 per hectare. And during the reply to the calling attention 19 July 2024, and the government has already assured that all the farmers and who are not possessing the Krishi card have suffered the crop loss and during the season and will have considerable under the crop compensation subject to the submission of the undertaking and the application in the prescribed format other relevant document. I have already issued a direction-wide note 22/7/24 to the Director of Agriculture to carry out the evaluation of the crop loss and submit a proposal to the crop compensation within the 15 days for the release of the assistance. Accordingly, note to this effect has already been issued to the Director of the Agriculture Zonal Office on the 22/7/24 and the eligible farmers and will be paid the compensation upon the applying as per the guidelines, the government decisions as early as possible.